There's no
meow.
way.
Hubert, please review the capybara therapy.
The what?
The capybara therapy. Is it crazy? The picture I sent. Wait. This one.
Oh my god, what is that?
We are doing, me and Maro are doing a custom game mode on SL that is about parkour and stuff. And we did something called capybara therapy. And in there, you can actually find a secret key to like, wait, oh, I forgot panel.aftermathservice.com. Wait, I can actually show it right now. If the game doesn't want to crash. Okay. So this room is just for a key and for an Easter egg. That's it.
Right.
So we got the approval of Hubert about the capybaras. Nice. Now I can write it on like a small text toy
I have
saying
not approved
approved
it
by
yet. I
Hubert.
have not seen that yet, okay? I want to see it first, then let's see. Oh,
It's
okay,
just
that's approved.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
god. Yeah, we have other stuff with capybaras, but honestly, I don't think. Like, let me see. This one, the judgment room.
The judgment room.
There was another one.
What does this sound?
down
Why is
here.
it so broken?
No, the sound is broken because my connection is so fucking shitty. That's why. I'm doing a lot of ping, so that's why. This is the another one. Yeah, this is the entire game,
Is
by
it
the
from
way.
the Jookers? Is it from like Ghosts and folks like that, or is
And
it
Maro.
your original?
No, it's just for Maro. The guy who did the global tag tournament recently.
Yeah,
I'm the
but
developer.
like, did they work with Ghost in the past, or?
Yes, we're actually working with Ghost. Not right now for anything, I think. But yeah, in the future, I think Maro will do something with Ghost.
Looking peak. How is the
Yeah, I
performance
guess.
of all of that? Like, does it? I mean, it's just cubes, right? So it's not too bad.
Most of them are actually client side. And I was actually testing on how to do fully client side primitives. But yeah, performance are so bad because one, I'm lagging. I could actually go to another tower, but it's less. It doesn't actually crash my computer for some reason. But I'm fixing that. I was just working on this.
You wanna crash it?
What?
I thought you wanted to crash it.
Yeah. Honestly, I crashed so many times my client by doing client-side primitives, and I had 1 gigabyte fucking log files, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, this is just did Maro finish it? No. Yeah, so this is the entire. This is just the first start of this tower. Yeah, this is the entire game, I guess. The performance aren't that bad either. 60 DPS almost every time. And with the test I'm doing right now, it actually is 60-60. You can see client-side objects and server-side objects with a total on the side. That's the debug menu.
I have not been keeping track with all the changes that maintainers have been adding. I believe you, David, as well, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god, this scene.
So, if I'm remembering correctly,
Crazy.
it's like a client-side it's spawned with an RPC, or do you just destroy the network identity afterwards?
No, I don't even spawn it. I just wait, actually.
They
Let me
just
show it.
fake it.
So
It's all
I
fake.
just generate the spawn message and I generate on the server on the prefab info. Yeah, I just generate a collision. That's it.
Oh.
So On the server, I generate a collision, and on the client, I generate just this one. And on the editor, it just looks like this. So that's it. Like
Okay.
on the server, so that's the entire system. And then we do some trickery with making like sure that there's no objects inside of them, so they get deleted and other stuff.
There's
That's
a
it.
lot of trickery.
Yeah, just everything is done before it actually spawns them up, and then it's cached. To make sure that in the future we don't actually do anything. What is this for? What is Maro doing? Oh, it's for this door. Oh yeah, by the way, if I reset, everything just changes.
Yeah, this is looking good. How do you make text? Is it with the text story or is it because
Text is just primitives directly, not
did we
text.
actually end up merging text story into?
Oh yeah, we did. Capybara and then text. Text.
Yeah, like I said, I don't
It
know
even
exactly.
works.
I remember that there were many things were being worked on. I don't remember how much we actually ended up merging, but yeah, I'm actually excited.
It actually works on the editor too, so you can actually see how it works. And I even did a small version of a player system for testing directly on Unity for stuff. So, if, for example, I just do this. I can just spawn the player, and I can just play on the editor directly. It's like similar to SL, but not the same. I just use the character controller and some settings similar to SL by using a modified version of the client and just getting the character controller stuff. It's not the same, but similar.
The Unity engine.
Yeah. It's even the 6K, so
Yeah.
it should be fast.
No, it slowed down. We also upgraded to 6K from 2021, and it actually is slower. We were hoping it would be faster.
Oh gosh.
Like in editor, like loading in scenes and things like that, it's taking.
Oh yeah, probably that one. That is probably a problem. Then we have server-specific stuff. Oh, we have a website.
Cosmetics.
Yeah, we have cosmetics. We have trails. If it actually loads. My PC is dying. We have death animations. We have stuff like this.
Hamburger.
Oh wait, why is it dead? I'm probably fucked up something by updating. Okay, what is happening? At this side, oh my god, what is happening here? We decided to die.
You get an error in the bottom.
Oh, the layer cannot be. Oh, it's missing the cinematic camera. I don't care about fixing that.
Yeah, it's looking good. I'm gonna head out in a sec.
Yeah.
What is it?
By the way, we got the approval. Now I'm going to DM Maro saying, yeah, we got the approval. Add the text. Crazy.
Yeah,
By the way, please optimize SL. Please, the cooling.
Sure.
Oh my god. It's something.
The problem with optimization is that there is, as you're probably aware, there is no optimization button, and we don't really know how we can optimize the game further. So
by looking at the server set code, I saw that the server is like everything is spawning, even though if just there are network identities, it's just showing. So
you're talking about network optimization or game optimization? Because game optimization.
I honestly don't know. I was checking on one day on the Spy and just saw there was a cooling. Yeah, wait. Yeah, progressive cooling. In here.
Yeah.
If you check Not this one. I forgot where it was. It was dynamic callable base, probably. No.
Simple dynamic callable. Yeah.
Simple dynamic.
Dynamic simple callable.
Hello, Swiftcraft.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, everyone will go. Oh, yeah.
You're following me? That's
So there
kind of
was-
spooky.
Are you schizo?
One above, I believe. Callable simple dynamic. The one above.
Simple dynamic. Oh yeah, this one. You mean? There was. Oh yeah, there was something. Yeah, this one. There was something like. Oh wait, it actually changed. I remember this one had network identities too. I remember.
They had what?
And now it does. It did have it. I remember it. I probably have a screenshot. Before it had component is network identity, and it actually returned to in the past.
Can we
But
get?
you're talking about optimization of primitives, not the optimization of base game.
Yeah, I don't know why this one doesn't work. But yeah.
Can we
Yeah,
get?
so,
I don't know.
You can actually go to your console and type in cooling pause, in your game. In your game.
Oh yeah, in the
No,
game I
Clank
know.
out, Clank out.
Yeah, no, I know about that.
Yeah. But yeah,
Yeah,
I'm assuming it doesn't get updated on. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah. So
doesn't.
calling does not work with primitives. So that would need to be changed if we wanted. But I thought you were referring to like the base game optimization, but
No, not the base one. I just mean.
Wait. Did I hear good news? Calling the primitives, that'd be a godsend.
Yeah,
Please,
that's insane.
please.
That's insane.
Please,
Because
Hubert, I needed this shit. Like, you know how many tournaments and events it would have been so fucking handy.
the issue is
Or
that
optimizing-
with primitives are so small that in most cases rendering the few vertices of a primitive is faster than calculating whether or not the primitive should be rendered. So what we would probably need to do is like had an option to group primitives into clusters, and then be able to call those clusters basically.
I
see,
guess
I
that
see.
works.
I mean,
You can parent them right now, so we can just take
Oh, by the way, you
root
got
parent and
relative.
all that.
Another
that's the
thing
case,
is relative
just make-
positioning outside of the bounds of the game. There will be in the future like a toy for actually adding waypoints.
We could
wait,
do that.
wait.
So David, do you wanna do that? Do you want to include that, or
Oh my god!
should I just make a task?
Oh my god!
Did I hear adding
I could
waypoints?
explain you how to do that if you want.
Because right now it's just
You
doors.
just slap a net ID
best-
waypoint on it and boom.
Please. I don't want to be limited by doors. I've been limited by doors for so many years. Ever since I saw that fucking clown video that Hubert sent. I was like,
You know
What's wrong with
the actual
doors?
way. You know the
There's only
actual way
255.
to do it. You could actually set the ID, the seed to -1, not loading any doors or anything, and just spawning every door because you will have most likely all of the waypoints all over yourself.
Yep.
And so that's the best way actually, because I did test it and it actually works so well. But I'm not using it for this project or for anything because I'm lazy to adding and calculating everything myself.
but getting more waypoints would be quite nice because I want to make it like really huge maps again. Please.
I'll
Just
just
get
no
rid of the
ideas.
map.
Waypoints is pretty simple. The calling would be different. I'm not sure how parenting works.
Parenting is just an RPC, and it just calls the entity update.
Because we could make it so like the same way you spawn a primitive. Like, can you, for example, make a primitive parent of a capybara?
Yes, everything
Then
that
all we
is
basically need to
an
do is
admin
just
toy.
make calling toy basically, which is like has the position, scale, and everything, which just defines the size. It would work like a cube, which basically defines size of the area, and then you would
It's not
put
already a
everything
cube.
that- you would put like a parent of that, and that could work.
Yes, just
I remember when.
okay.
Please,
I remember when
please.
decompiling. I remember when taking with assets rip the assets of the capybara. It was actually a cube. It had like an hitbox and another hitbox.
It's 3 colliders.
I remember that. Yeah, it was.
That seems
No, it
feasible.
was two colliders.
It's
If I remember
spheres
correctly.
and 2 spheres and a cube, I think. I'm not sure.
No, it was. I remember it was two when I was actually thinking about the project and doing. I probably. No, I don't have it anymore.
Basically, the only thing that needs to be done is the simple callable. Just
Yeah.
needs to be slapped onto an empty network identity and make it a toy.
Does that work with a
Honestly-
collider? Or how does that work?
So the way, hold on, I'm gonna just stream it. Let me just quickly change my branches so I don't end up leaking anything.
Oh no.
Oh, crazy.
Brand switching. I think David can speak about that.
How to leak the entire new updates. 30 seconds.
So Hubert, you gonna show up at the next low badge event?
The what?
The next low badge event.
I don't know.
Because your Northern team did really well, by the way, in the previous one.
Previous one didn't win Fox. Do you mean Chaos Strike or? Photon?
No, Photon Raiders.
Oh yeah, it won Fox. If I remember.
Yeah, but like the Northern team put up a really huge fight. That was fucking crazy.
Yeah, Northwood team actually cooked. I was in DC with Maro saying, "Oh my god, I bet on fucking Northwood team." Insane, honestly.
I mean, hey, we get like a waypoint toy and some like calling shit. Oh my god, like Predators are
I'm
gonna be
going
so
to
fucking
cry.
crazy.
Wait, actually,
We've been needing that shit for years.
This is going to be me after years for asking it. Oh my god.
No.
Like the culling, yeah.
Because I know like a lot of map makers are gonna like be really excited to like have.
If not, I made it myself. I made it myself, and now Northwood is adding it. It's going to be big. I can finally rest in peace and not continue my Meow editor anymore.
Because with the amount of options Premise can provide to like the community already, like when it comes to the modding side of things, I just think it's just really cool though that North is actually adding some cool features that we've been needing for so many years relating to primitives.
The Valentine is probably the worst update ever, though, I must say.
Why?
I honestly hate it, like, so badly, because it ruined my entire projects, and I needed to redo the entire Photon Reader in, like, 2 days for making it work again.
Bruh.
I was just crying in the corner, updating everything as fast as possible. Let's go play some Italian
Okay,
side.
so if we get calling
Oh.
thingies, calling toys or whatever they're gonna call it, is it just gonna be like essentially an empty game object with some components? Because we could just use that as anchors. Actually, no, because then it would ruin the calling system. Shit. So kind of how does it work actually? Bye bye. Wait. Did you say good night? Ghosts?
Huh?
I thought you said good night.
No, I said like waypoint and like calling toys. It would be peak.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm just switching branches.
Could I
Oh,
just
you're
throw
gonna
an
do it
idea
right
real
now?
Oh my
Oh my
god!
I mean,
God.
I don't know how primitives works. I need to catch up with them.
Of course.
But then
Come
we
up
can-
with
we
the
can
time.
figure
Talk
it
to Michael. Michael's your go-to like primitive guy in Northwood.
Oh my god! Now I'm spamming this, honestly. Like, I don't care. Right now,
we
this
need
is
Michael.
peak.
Let me fucking DM Michael right now if he's available. Michael, Join LabAPI VC. There you go.
Years of begging people are not to add it, and right now it's
All right.
the possibility.
All right, now
Oh
we have.
my God.
Let's hope Michael reads my DMs in time and joins the VC. MER man himself.
But I
Fine.
just throw in an idea for like the calling shit.
So do we just how does parenting work in the
Well,
primitives?
It's an
It's just an
RPC.
RPC.
It also serializes in the whatever serialize function, the admin toy base.
What is it in the primitive object? file?
It's admin toy based, so like every admin toy can be parented to any network identity. There should be an
I'm
RPC
just
for.
looking. Yeah, I see it. Just catching up. Is there an existing hook for the scale?
It's
All
just-
right,
it's
Michael's
just
here.
a
We're
simple-
winning. We're winning.
Hello.
We're winning.
Hello,
Oh my
that
God.
Dash. Michael,
Hello,
Hubert, are you looking
professional
for?
primitive guy. Yeah.
I'm just looking. When is the scale applied?
The client update. Oh yeah.
It doesn't seem to be used anywhere. Oh, there it is.
Ich bin doch hier.
Hi.
Hi.
Right.
Wait, are you? Am I streaming with my sound on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't stop.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. That's embarrassing. All right.
What the fuck is that guy on the side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
me.
Hubert.
That's
Oh,
weird.
Crazy.
Hubert before becoming bald.
Yes, and before getting skinnier. Actually, I got much fatter after all, and then skinnier.
Is this not the jacket from the episode where you got kidnapped?
Yes,
What?
What?
Yes.
Oh, the classic.
that's looking good here. There's the virtual teleport.
All right.
The entire,
This is gonna be,
the entire-
this is gonna be the greatest like LabAPI update in history.
Wait, what's happening?
honestly, for real,
What's
I might
happening?
cry.
What I'm missing?
Hubert, I guess it's better you explain like what's going on for the new gens that are joining the VC right now.
No,
New
I'll be
gens.
focusing now. So you guys explain. I'm gonna do the calling first.
Okay. So,
Okay.
peak update, we can actually go outside of the bounds, and primitives are going to have the cooling. So when you go, like, you don't see them when they're outside of your view. So your client doesn't lag.
Yes.
That's the peak.
Oh, that's so good, especially for
Not just that, but,
Oh,
like, keep in mind, we're getting waypoints. We're also getting waypoints, meaning we could go out of bounds again. Finally, after many years. It's gonna be so peak.
Hello.
we can actually.
So,
oh,
So,
hello.
Emmy,
Yes,
I'm just
listening.
letting you know, for like MER, Slack, I don't know what the other thing that like Killers made. I mean, I'm just saying it's gonna be a big day for all those communities that are using whatever. Because I'm just saying, it's gonna be like a really fucking epic update.
I'm going to cry.
I have no idea what said that like there was so much chaos that I didn't understand a thing. You know?
Big
Okay,
applause,
Michael,
come on, big applause, big
TLDR,
applause.
waypoint toy and calling toy for primitives.
Okay.
That's
Wait,
Waypoint
TLDR.
toy is really simple. Just
He's
slap
doing it on
an
stream
LED
right
icon
now.
on it.
That's the point.
Yeah, he's making it as we speak.
Oh, it's good to see you still have like the faint Hubert image in the bottom right.
I still
I'm-
need to implement the rest of stuff into SL custom objects like text and other stuff.
So what is that?
All
the
All right,
brown-
and teleporters, please.
I was busy working with SL itself, so I didn't have time.
And I was busy bullying
And,
people on the map editor Discord.
Can I make a note to make
Yeah,
it not
that's a good
spawnable
patch
by in remote admin? Because I don't think it's really neat. Should I actually? I will just call it.
I don't know.
That is a lot of text I'm seeing there.
I remember
I
David.
don't know what info is us.
I remember David when he was implementing admin toys. He always made a command, so I don't know.
Is David still here?
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
it's
everyone's
used for
joining out.
Hello there,
it's used
Andrew.
for
Who's
commands,
bottom me.
and it's used for commands and for removing the object, actually. So
Interesting. So when are we getting the SPSL plate set we can buy in like our local Walmart?
What?
Something like that. Yeah.
I would like I like those.
Okay.
So I can have like toy soldiers and like Because some of us are still a bit childish. We want to like lay on the floor and play with our SL toys.
The fuck is wrong with you, Draco?
It's you don't want it as well? Like I can give it to my owl.
By the way, tonight I will cry so hard in my bed knowing that finally the future I asked for 5 years of this game is getting added.
No. The thing is, this is just a big April Fool's because I haven't done that year, so they still have one more April Fool's they can do.
Honestly,
But if you gave it a bounds,
What's that?
like it would be bounds callable, and there would be a sync word for how
Yeah,
big the bounds are.
that's the idea. I'm making it so whenever the position changes, it will calculate it the same way as if it was like a cube. So you can just spawn a primitive cube at the same position, location, and scale, and visualize the bounds basically.
Oh, that's really nice.
but some of them aren't cube. Like for example, the
I know, but
the
so the way
capsule.
it's gonna work is that if you have a bunch of like admin toys over here, what you will do is just group them together into a cube, and whenever this is like the top-down view, and whenever the camera is not looking at it, so this is like the perspective, the FOV of the camera here. This one will basically just deactivate all the children.
Wait. Can you export that picture and send it to me?
No, why?
Just screenshot it.
Yeah.
Too late,
Yeah, just screenshot it.
What is
Easy
priority?
peasy.
Oh, okay, that's my system. I
It's
don't.
this is big.
Priority.
Dynamic.
Dude.
So you are using the base game like cooling, yes, for primitives?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So from the plugin dev perspective, they will need to spawn a callable thing and attach stuff to it. Yes.
Basically, yes. The calling parent will you put it on the map to define an area, and that put all the admin toys that you want to disappear whenever that area is not being looked at. You put it as a children.
Oh, okay.
Of it.
Interesting.
Hey, Michael.
Yeah?
Michael. Can one child have one or two parents?
That depends.
What?
It can only have one parent.
Yeah.
One at the same time. It's just normal that one of them leaves.
That's the reference no one would get.
But there is also like the reference of kill parent and destroy all children, and then like FBI is looking at you in Unity.
No, but basically this is like a joke that's coming back every year because I like to make Michael angry or maybe laugh sometimes.
Before I knew how Unity works, I was wondering whether a child can have more than one parent.
And he basically did ask this question on Exiled, and that was literally pinned.
Which is a reasonable question to ask as someone is learning. So what's the problem? I don't see it.
No, it wasn't a problem. It was just funny.
I can see myself asking that question like 10 years ago.
No, but they're like sometimes just cool
like,
stuff.
Without the context, that sounds horrible. So
yeah, it's funny. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Who is responsible for the crime of having this notifications on?
Oh, me, probably.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, no, I was. Nah, I'll be honest.
Was that server mod Discord?
Hello.
Cat.
I'll call the pickles.
Car.
What was pickles? Oh, is that Jamy? It's Jamy. Hello. And I knew it was you. I was like looking, who's the cat person with access to Nerdfood Studios? I see.
Hello, Food Eater. I'm still convinced it's a capybara, by the way. Just saying.
What?
You remember when I talked to you about like the forklifts? I still don't believe you.
I don't even know what the conversation was. I don't remember. You've clearly remembered better than I have.
That's not how it's usually like, but you know when we talk about the forklifts got added, right?
Yeah.
And I was 99.9% sure, well, percent sure that the images, that we have some images under the forklifts.
There is a capybara on the forklift.
Yep. Yeah, hold on. Let me show you. I can share screen, right? Yeah, probably.
What is this like delusional rambling?
So let me show you. So on my hold on. Oh boy, when did the forklifts get out again? It was somewhere along here. Oh wait, they're not. I swear to God, I took a picture of it.
Up.
Yeah, okay, out of here. Did I take a picture under? I did not. Oh my God. Okay, give me a second here. I just gotta launch this.
What is your background? And why is it some like random character?
Oh, this guy?
Oh, hello.
Me?
Who's that?
This guy?
No, Draco's background.
Oh, this is a guy called Silly Guy. Basically, I was looking for GoXLR tutorials because I didn't know how to set it up, and I found that this guy had a YouTube channel for it, and his thumbnails was really cool, and I just died like laughing for like half an hour, and I was like, I needed to have something to remember him by. So he has like different images like this one.
Yeah.
I see.
I think there's
wow.
Yeah, I can't remember. There was one that I
Damn.
sent you, Draco. Yeah, that was that one. The one with the white hoodie.
Oh yeah, this one, yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, that was the one that I sent him because he fucking wanted that one.
Oh my
Do you
God.
guys
Oh
need
my God.
collisions for anything with that?
Oh God. Collisions?
Collisions?
Like, will it really matter if it gets cold, the collisions disappear as well on the client only, so the server still has it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It would be nice if we have it as an option.
I mean, like, it's the default implementation. Otherwise, I need to get and iterate over every item and make it invisible instead of just deactivating the whole thing.
No, like I think deactivating whole thing is better. Like we don't need collisions for
clients, right? Yeah.
Like
okay.
I'm also wondering. There's I don't know, Hubert, if you heard about this, but there's this optimizer thing that basically nukes all of the network identities on the server side and spawns them on the client. I am wondering if this cooling that you're implementing right now would be more performant than this weird solution.
I'm not sure how. I mean, I'm not sure, but this will be client side, so that's client sideable.
Yeah, but I mean, they find out the ability to nuke the. They send the network messages, mirror network messages. The server isn't aware about the primitives, but the client is, and basically only works for primitives that don't have collisions. But I never tested really much, but I heard it's really every single person that uses MER, I see they also download this optimizer thing. So yeah. But the problem with that optimizer is that once you spawn the primitive, you can't really move it. You need to destroy it and place.
Actually, I was actually working on moving client-side objects from the server, and it actually works.
I
do you not see like the shapes there and such? Crazy for thinking this.
The problem is that this is kinda abusing mirror to its point. Like it's
but
it works. Yeah, it works, but it's kind of hard.
Hubert, I'm not sure if you want the scale to be there. Like if you scale up the group, then the children would have to be scaled down.
Right. Instead of scaling it, I would say we could make another property for the same way we have like color, right?
Like extents maybe, or just
the scaling should be separate because otherwise
scaling and rotation. Yeah, okay, that's fair.
This is the one I meant, Jamie. That I don't know why. I just thought it looked like it. I guess in like the beginning.
No, you're delusional. That's.
What do you mean? No.
There's one on the side.
Yeah, I know. You told me. Well, it looked like that. Maybe just me. I don't know.
It's not anything.
Go.
How was the primitive object? Oh, so it's just like that. Okay.
What you're looking for?
No, just.
Yeah, just make it a sync one, and then we're good, pretty much.
So, basically from the new objects, you can make it so like the primitive objects disappear as well when you turn around. Was that what you said? Great. Okay. Wait, so one of the things you said that when like objects you're looking at, like when you're looking away from them, they'll like unload or like what?
It will get deactivated entirely.
Okay. It's like, okay, I got it. Like those things will be gone. I don't know if they...
Where's the size? Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
Is that the
I
size?
just can't wait when he starts working on the waypoint shit. 'Cause, oh my god, I like this is
The
a hit to
waypoint
my
is pretty
eye.
easy,
Like,
that's why I'm saving it.
You can make sure
okay,
it doesn't ride, right?
because all I remember was that one video in the Northwood API Discord that Hubert like said of like relative positioning and all that shit with like the cloud emoji thing. I was like, bruh, I can't work much with 255 doors.
For real. Like,
Because
no, the problem
when I was working, because when I was working on the Exile tournament, yeah, like this was before the limits, and oh my god, it was a blessing because I got to work on like the hugest, biggest maps in SL history, and then when I saw like the relative positioning shit, I was like, ah, bruh, I can't do much anymore.
Ghost,
And
you
I
know
have to
how
limit
you
my
can
tournaments.
bypass this? Actually set the seed to -1, and
Yeah, I'm aware.
Does the relative positioning thing also get fixed? Like, because I didn't get that quite well.
But they're adding like toys for relative positioning, like just waypoints.
I was wondering how feasible
Wait,
would be to like
waypoints?
implement feature that would change positioning to a global one, like the standard that if you would be out of bounds, but I think that would be too much work, you know.
Wait, how would the waypoints work?
Okay, now there's a lot of people joining
Do,
now.
do hooks need to have arguments?
Oh god.
Yeah.
Yes. The
What if I don't
value-
need any of them? Because they're already applied, right?
I mean, you can try, I
I mean,
guess.
technically you don't. Yeah.
No, I mean you
just gonna
should,
use them.
I guess.
That should work.
This is the correct one. You don't.
But
need
also
the
maybe
values
do that in start, I guess. Like recalculate the bounds for it.
Doesn't this get called in the start?
It is so...
Yeah, it gets called an update, but not if it's static.
It's so interesting watching people do this because I feel like the little brother watching like the big brother do something really easy, but it's just like changing like.
Okay, so
How
who
many
asked
years have
about
you done this for now?
the waypoints? Let me find the relative positioning video again.
I need to fucking turn a whole bunch of people up.
Mm-hmm.
You fucking like mess with people's audios now because there's just not many people there.
I mean, it's a big event. Obviously, there's gonna be a decent amount of people.
True.
Hey, wait, did you end it, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm? I heard the Discord noise.
What if you add
traumatized
callable in
at the
another
moment.
callable?
What if what?
What if you parent a callable to another callable?
Yeah, it will work. I mean, it's not going to give you any advantage. Unless, no, that's not gonna work.
Taj, that is fucking amazing.
Thank you. It took
Can you
me 10 hours to achieve that.
10 hours?
No, I literally created
Oh
a scene and put a spinning D-class, that's all. There's nothing else.
This is perfect. This is
I don't know why
perfect.
is this like effect happening, but like I don't. It's
That's cool.
okay. It looks cool.
Hubert, please.
That's like I think I might know.
Hubert, I will get on my
like
knees and beg and whatever, but please.
Probably
can there
something
be a
related
chance for motion blur to come back?
AGRP.
Oh hell no.
No, we don't know how to do that.
God damn it.
Arguments. Okay.
The good old days of motion blur, I guess. We'll never see them again.
Oh, that was long ago. Yeah.
Did you use it?
I
what you
like motion blur.
Can I find it?
I
Yeah,
did
that-
as well. It was good.
Time to add motion blur to this guy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can you make like massive amounts?
It's kind of similar to that. It's just the fact
Here.
yours is
Here
an
it
empty
is.
scene, mine's just on surface.
Intensity. Here's motion blur. You wanted this, right?
Oh
Here.
my god! Wait, it looks like it's fucking shaking with the motion blur. Wait.
Yeah, he is tweaking. He is tweaking.
I don't know. It's happening. I don't know how HRP stuff works. I just place them in one big
It just
file and
does.
it just
It
does.
works.
Do we want
Oh my God.
the size to be settable by this? I don't know. Primitive material.
Do we?
Oh god! Like,
I
the
mean-
majority of people here are just muted now.
We should add a female D class as well. Why not?
No, we know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I think we all know.
Staff are not
but,
gonna use this.
We all know the SL community. We
making
all
the
know what they're
size
gonna
settable.
do at some point.
Yeah, but
I mean, this doesn't really
so
make
make
sense
a-
for staff. because-
So if I'm understanding this right,
Not guaranteed.
like your question was like do we want to so like we can set the calling like
Where do we start at argument number 2 here?
I mean, we don't even need this because staff won't spawn it. Like there won't
That's
be
the
anything.
remote admin command argument.
There's a second
That's
D-class.
two.
I suppose we don't really need that, right?
Yep.
There's a second D class.
It's a female.
So I think it should be done.
Oh.
No.
Oh my god, the female class thing.
Dude, imagine all the new rules when the female D class comes out.
No.
Do not fuck the females, please.
No. Oh my god.
It's just like a whole like page and a half just added to the fucking SL Hewlin.
All the server knowledge are shivering
You know,
right now.
you know, I cannot wait whenever we finally get it so for the like for the 079 camera thing, we could like actually make customers on the 079 map. I cannot wait for that. Whenever that comes out.
Oh, yeah, fun fact. There's no like way to like make the camera like appear on like the map, right? Or something?
No.
Like an SCP-079
Yeah, 'cause,
camera or
I
a
have,
player
like-
camera?
I have the map above, but I can't really get a camera in there, so you can select. You know, in like the cafeteria.
I mean, if you set the room via plugin,
What
then
else
yeah.
did you guys want? The
Yeah.
the dynamic waypoints, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, waypoints. We need that
I mean,
shit.
it's pretty easy.
I
Like,
don't
you
know
just,
what it is. I don't even know what
you
it
just
is.
slap a
Wait,
net ID
it's done
waypoint
already?
on it.
Can't you already
Is
spawn
calling
in
done?
net ID? Calling should be done, yeah. I'm
Can
not
we
sure
just
if
have
that
a
works,
prefab
because I
for
don't know.
this?
I don't know how it's set
You
up.
can't spawn it. Like the solution right now is spawning doors because they contain net ID, but this causes two issues. Spawning doors like it's useless, and also if someone wants to use the door
Oh, God,
normally,
like adding signs
causes
and
it
stuff.
spawning a net waypoint and causes issues because people go
Yeah.
into void.
Why
and
is it
stuff
so
like that.
much motion blur? You still see the fucking images in the top.
Can you just make an empty prefab
so
with
do I
just
just
this
send you the
component?
I'll look. Dude, look at the fucking look at
No,
the
And
top.
that
You can
should-
see the
that's
outline
fucking
from
Dash,
the
no
photos. Look at the top of it. Look at the top. You see like the fucking the screen
It
burn.
doesn't need to be a
It burned in the
admin
screen.
toy, right? I can just spawn it in, like, I can just add it as a prefab in the spawnable.
Yeah. We don't even need a separate toy class for
You didn't
that.
say mental.
If you attach it to a primitive object, wouldn't it work? In
No.
that case?
What are you doing, Dash?
We don't want that. That would be
It's
really
technically-
bad.
Dude, I was looking.
Yeah,
at
that-
it,
that-
like,
Just an
like,
example
with
I
information.
gave.
There's 9.6 now. He's big.
I mean, on the server,
yeah,
if you
no,
add
I
it, it
recommend
won't
it.
do anything because the
I just
client
realized what the
still
fuck is with the
spawns the
model?
original
Oh
prefab.
no.
So.
Alright, I would appreciate, guys, if we had this conversation for what it's originally started, which is LabAPI. If there are any discussions, because right now it's kind of hard for me to discuss the purposes of why we met here. So, sorry again. how do we? So what are you exactly expecting here? Do we want it to be a toy, or is it okay if we just make a network prefab that I add to like the list of spawnable items?
I think a prefab is fine. Not sure if everyone agrees on that, but
Yeah, I think it's fine.
If not, you can always change later, but I think it's fun, yeah.
But honestly, an admin toy could actually make it far easier for server owners and not just for
make
developers.
a LabAPI like wrapper for it, and we don't need a separate empty script for it. Just a simple empty prefab, but that and
Now think about it. Like, wouldn't it be better to actually have the calling prefab as a separate prefab, because you can't really spawn it anyway as a parent toy. I mean, you can't set it up; it's going to be useless.
Yeah, we need that, and then just net ID development.
Can you set parent of any? So okay, I'm just realizing that probably I didn't really even need that.
Any admin toy works.
Yeah, any.
For parent.
I know, but can you set the parent of any admin toy? Does it need to be an admin toy, or can it be like a network identity? Can you set a parent to be a door, for example?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I can just turn it into a regular network identity, and it will work. You can still put a.
Oh yeah.
Will it work?
Oh, I see.
I guess, but then you wouldn't be able to move the cooling parent toy that easily because it's network identity. So, I mean,
you can just set the size. You can just set the size. You just set size and bounds, and the position and world space is irrelevant because it's only requiring position and size.
Okay, so it can spawn on 000 for position,
yeah, it
but
can spawn anywhere, but you
yeah,
that should work.
Wait, but if you inherit one of the callable classes, wouldn't that make it easier?
If I what?
Like there are some callable classes already.
Yes, but I will not. They don't have network properties like syncvars. Like I could theoretically. I mean, I can. Yeah, I mean, I can do that, but I won't be able to add any syncvars.
Why?
Because because it doesn't derive from network identity, right?
Oh, okay, fair, my bad. Yeah, it can be a network identity.
I mean, it's simple because right now most of the code is actually coming from like
you cannot inherit from the network identity because it's sealed.
Yeah, it should be a network behavior.
Yeah.
Yeah, network behavior. That's what I mean. Yeah. It's been a while since I was using regular. I always work with network messages nowadays. So I'm actually lacking in the original mirror department. It's kind of funny.
Decontamination. Dude, this is actually pretty interesting to see, like how they're made.
How it's made episode on SL. Imagine.
I set the center.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, it's you have to
make
do that, yeah.
Bounce new position size. And here do the same.
This is definitely gonna be the new map making Golden Age again.
Real.
There's an ABS in case.
I think Ghost only has a few ideas.
Value.
Am I hearing? Oh, your stream.
Is it?
Just hearing something. I just realized it was
Can we make that the position of the toy?
But it's not a toy anymore.
I mean, not toy, then the component.
But the component does not have position syncing, so I would need to still add position syncing anyway. So in this case, you can put the parent anywhere, and you can offset the position by just setting this. So it's like technically gives us more control. Because if you had things like rotating across this axis or whatever, they wouldn't be affected. Alright, the position, everything is fine. Bounce position, bounce size, set bounce origin, say position, priority, normal, world space bounce. In setup, we would just do bounce position and bounce size. This one is no longer used. And yeah, that's looking good.
Oh, Hubert, while we're here, give me some time, or maybe now get transform caching for primitives or admin toys, because I almost rage quit when I saw 3 transform calls in the update method.
3 what?
Like here, it
Well,
gets the transform property every time.
Yeah, we can make it quite easily.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh hell yeah!
That's
Optimization.
actually
Oh my God.
gonna be a really big performance boost.
Will it? Because isn't that a micro optimization that puts point? I don't know.
Consider
Micro
millions of
optimization
primitives.
multiplied by million. Yeah.
Microplastics.
Oh, reference equals smart.
Yeah, this is gonna be a
Reference
golden
equals
age for,
because
for
we're
map makers.
overriding the defaults.
I think Ghost already has like 400 ideas.
Oh no, I had like 20 projects that I had to scrap because of relative positioning. So I can bring
Now,
it back.
now I can make a little company.
If you
on
still had the
SL.
files from, you can just remake them now.
Crazy. If someone sees a little company on SL, don't worry, it's probably me.
So you own transform parent change? Is that new from Unity?
No, that was admin toy
that
stuff.
was
No.
From the
that
RPC
was
call.
being for a while, I think.
Oh wait, what? Oh my god.
It's a real thing.
That is huge.
Transform
Huge.
parent or children change. Was it in Unity 2021 that we had?
What?
Oh wait, you don't know, guys.
That's been so long. What about 2019?
Yeah, that's been for like a long time.
What? I've never seen that before. That changes so much. What the fuck? That's actually crazy. The more you know.
Yeah, I use it a lot for some stuff.
So we have our fast transform parent. Server parent. Why is it? It could be static. Okay, fast transform set parent. Oh. And here we're gonna
Also, the position updates, can you make it? Yes.
Position rotation.
Yes.
But it doesn't work like that, does it? Oh, you can.
Oh, that wouldn't work. You have to set the network property.
Oh yeah, it would
You
need.
just make it a local variable.
I thought it was scale.
How long have you worked with coding?
Does that doesn't set the whatever it is the network property, does it?
No, there's no property here.
Oh, because it's mirror, right? You don't have to deal with that. Wait, how will mirror translate that though? I wonder.
What?
Like you don't see network property, you just have a field. But how would an out parameter go into a property? It doesn't work. So does mirror just create a local?
There's like a backing field for the property.
Yeah, there is a backing.
Yeah, but
I think
and it's
how does it set the property? How does mirror do that?
It's like
but what's
you keep this and you have to like the network position and such.
If it's normally a gets
yeah.
set,
The issue is you can't give an out parameter a property.
How it does is it just creates a something like that and just does position equals position.
That's what I'm thinking.
No, if you build a project,
or if it sets to
you
the
can see
backing field directly without actually
Yes, it's setting the backing field. Because mirror just removed and edits all the thing to backing field.
So well, do we know if it works? If that thing will work? If we just do out here? Because we can for safety. We can just for safety just do that and set it just in case.
If you compile and you can just see from the compiled code. Because it's waving.
But how do I would need to rebuild the whole game and wait 30 minutes for that, right?
Yeah.
I think it's better if we just do that just in case. I think it's also a bit more readable.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So, just maybe one tiny micro optimization if you put the fast transform in the local variable in the method.
Local variable?
Yeah, like in the methods. Like where you use it twice or 3 times.
Really? Okay.
Like the nanoseconds.
Okay.
The nanoseconds must be saved.
Yeah, I think it'd be better if
We will be going now. Bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Oh, wait,
I
4
think
calls
I
in
think if it-
position client update. Oh my god. Okay, that's. Okay, it might seem like I'm crazy, but I am crazy, but yeah, it's.
No.
But yeah, actually, you should probably explain it to everyone else here, because I know like most of these people here are not coders. Like, it'd probably be better to explain like what it really does.
Just fucking,
Okay, so
I'm looking at
imagine
This is a super micro optimization what I'm doing right here. But yeah, like multiplied by 1 billion toys.
Wait, maybe you could also do set position and rotation in the client update. Okay, so for people who it already does that. Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing.
That's amazing.
So the people don't understand. Basically, you have the C# code and Unity native code. Think of it as like 2 continents. Basically, if we say C# is Europe.
So basically, the communication right here is that you live in like a different country, and I'm sending you a letter. Hey, can you send me your position? And you respond with position. And then I send, hey, could you tell me your rotation? And then you're writing your rotation and sending it back to me. What we're basically doing right here is just sending a letter. Hey, can you send me your position and rotation? And then you just respond with one letter. The letter is going to be twice as long, but the distance that it needs to travel is going to be shorter because you're doing it in a single trip.
Just updating it one time.
Millisecond.
Also, think of it as like to get where you need to send the letter. That also takes time. And if you did it 4 times, that's going to be slower.
Okay. Use Campo and assign it.
Well, it's one of the age-old optimizations. Is you hand them a list of the data you need instead of handing them a piece of.
Oh no, VS, no.
Yeah.
Looking at him. Okay, so that should work. Calling. It looks good. Position. Scale. Everything seems alright. This is a network identity.
Behavior.
If I register it and it's already generated, it sets up cache, which is okay. Which in this case, it doesn't matter if it gets called in start or this case. Everything looks good. All right, let's do the item ID. But for that, I want to actually see what kind of IDs we're working with. Because you're spawning all of those after the map generation, right?
Yeah.
So we.
I mean, the player will have it.
We can make it so it's like automatically figuring out the next available ID.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Okay,
it's not going to work if it's actually, is it? Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, fun. Thank you, Unity. Always a pleasure.
It's 5 minutes to load in and 10 minutes.
It's gonna cost us 50 years.
What are you doing?
Thank you, Unity.
Interstellar moment.
It looks like a playground for adults.
He's doing a Jovic thing, Draco.
It looks like a playground for adults.
And if people move to Waypoint, then they can basically die.
And you got new.
I mean, if you've placed the waypoint and you move the waypoint, then what are you doing?
You placing a waypoint.
The waypoint, like the relative positioning thingy that. Have I don't think I've explained this. Do you want to know how relative positioning works?
Me?
I love relative positioning.
I know how I wrote the system. I know how it works.
No, Hubert. Sorry, no. you wrote it. I actually linked the
ahead,
video on the channel. If someone doesn't really understand what's happening,
Relative.
you
I
can
don't
check
even
it
know
out.
what it is. So.
Yeah, you better explain. I'm no coder, but I know most of the stuff that that's been discussed.
So like, think of them as the axis on the treasure map, right? And and
do you want to look for them?
Yeah, the game looks for them, and the closest X is going to determine like an ID for the waypoint. So the closest waypoint is the relative position parent. Like,
okay, so choose a position.
If you're 10 meters away from it, it calculates to that. So like,
okay, gotcha.
For elevators, right? You're moving in the elevator, then
the way it works
your
right now,
world's position changes a lot, but your relative position doesn't.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. If this is an elevator and you stop in the elevator, the game actually looks at the center of the elevator and measures your position by the offset from the center of the elevator. That's also why if you see people on high ping jumping into like throwing down a nuke elevator, you actually see them walking to the edge and then suddenly teleporting because the server accepted their process, their request because it was within reasonable tolerance.
Okay.
But the clients, like to the other clients, it looks like he just teleported quickly downstairs.
Wait, what about when they're squatting? Because I've seen a lot of people been squatting now as well.
No idea what that means.
Like they're like.
Oh, it happens when you jump while going down the elevator system.
No, it still works. It's like regular happens now. Whenever you take the elevator down, you just people like they're squatting down.
What?
Yeah,
is that an English term?
It's interesting. Yeah, no, you're saying it right, but
okay.
Yeah, I'm not too sure of like how that really works, but yeah, I've seen it happen a lot.
Yeah, like it's pretty normal, I guess.
Discord keeps on breaking.
But
tell it to stop.
But still, though, I'm still gonna be like crying after. Like, I'm gonna be sleeping good tonight, knowing that like we have waypoints now. Because oh my god.
For real.
Maybe Jovix.
Oh my god. How many years?
Ghost, you don't know, but like I've asked Jesus, I've asked so many Northern stuff, and like seeing Hubert implementing it right now is just making me cry from joy. After
gonna shed a tear.
Yeah, after 5 years of asking it and begging the Northern
we should
stuff,
clap our hands in applause.
For real, like best feature ever.
Yeah, ever since I was like making
but I just decided against it.
Yeah, but yeah, ever since I was like making maps for this game, like ever since maybe like mid to late 2021, it's been like it's been a journey. That's all I gotta say. But now finally like having no limits again. I mean, hey, that means more cool shit can be made.
Yeah, I'm excited, especially with you, because you have a really good idea. So I'm especially excited to see what you're going to do with the servers.
I have some funny ideas, but I'm probably just going to pass them up to my successor, Maro, because Maro's been like doing all the goal batch stuff and all that.
Oh, don't worry.
Ideas were G-Tag events.
Don't worry. Next G-Tag is going to be crazy.
Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, no. I know what the next G-Tag event is a little bit.
Why? I don't know
spoil
which
it.
one. I don't know which one it would be.
I'm letting you know, Zero, it was decided by a wheel.
No, Maro cannot do it again. No.
It was already decided last night. You weren't around, but it happened last night.
No, I'm not developing that because I know Maro wants to develop that. No, I'm not developing that.
No. For the next G-Tag event, we had some huge discussions about it. We haven't actually decided on it. Maro's gonna talk to you more about it.
Okay, I want to be included though because I need to code everything. So, and honestly,
I had a proposal for a G-Tag event, but I think Maro would just better tell you the details, like what I was thinking.
Oh yeah, I know she added the stuff on the channel, and I told her it was a stupid idea. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, because yeah, she wrote it for Ghost.
I'm just saying, it opens your horizons a bit more when it comes to like running.
I know, but at the same time, I asked Maro a long time ago to if we wanted to do that, but she said no, no, no. You just asked her, and she said yes. So I just got triggered this morning after I woke up and saw that. Yeah, but yeah, I don't care honestly.
Well, yeah,
At the end
it's
of the
something
day,
like between you two, like you're gonna have to really discuss about that. But overall,
Nah,
though,
honest.
when it comes to the map stuff here, let's not switch up on topics about that. But yeah, this is gonna be the hugest update for sure for mapping because I've been repeating that like throughout this like past hour, I'd say, in this conversation.
I don't have to code anymore the cooling system. I don't have to go crazy for 10 FPS and spend one day just to get one more FPS out of this game.
I know, like, my developers are going to be really happy about this because they have some projects that that were being very loaded by primitive, by relative positioning, and now, like whenever this comes out, I mean, I don't know when this is going to come out, but
if you check my combos with Maro, you're going to see me in the middle of the night crying for 10 FPS more on this game. Just for 10 FPS. Like, at that point...
I remember back when I could have like max 20 FPS on Surface Zone. It was peak times.
Yep.
How would predefined waypoint IDs work?
Predefined is actually predefined is a much better word. I'll explain it in a sec. Right now, I'm trying to make a code work in a way that it's trying to avoid like cross references between namespaces. I'll just explain it in a sec. I'm right now making it so there's like a desired ID. To be this. Update cache.
Oh.
I'm probably gonna make it so it's actually not using a cached position because there's going to be only a few of them, right? Also, it doesn't really matter if we're just calling the position in here.
Fair. What are you doing?
Alternatively, actually, it is going to make.
Yeah. I wonder if you've ever dealt with update order issues in SL. Like
a lot of times, yeah. Yeah, this is a race condition, especially like during map generation, things like that. Like, it doesn't matter in this case too much because you're not supposed to be moving them. Update position cache. Assigned true.
I'm not sure where it's in the docs, but apparently it goes top to bottom on every game object, and in the hierarchy it also does that. Like, it goes top to bottom, but
yeah, in most cases, yes.
It's not reliable.
It's not the problem is that it's not documented, so it's the things that can be broken with any random Unity update. So like for now, it kind of makes sense that you can rely on that. I believe there was even a code I believe in the past where you had like multiple text components, and like I knew that get component will get the first one, but like I wouldn't trust it in a way that like it's something that can randomly break, and it will be very difficult to debug because it's some random Unity update.
Yeah, that's familiar. Not the update thing, but the get component thing. It just gave the wrong order, and I was like, "What is going on?" Changing waypoint IDs?
Sorry to ping you for the second time, but I'd like to ask you a question. Has it made things more complex for those who simply dev the game to now have a framework on the base code? Doesn't it bother you a bit when you're working on native features? I'm not sure what you're referring to.
I think they're talking about LabAPI.
We have completely different teams. So like what I'm doing right now is just kind of random. I just joined in. I'm no longer working, and now I just joined in like to do something to like catch up. But like I'm normally the reason it's taking so long for a simple code is because I haven't worked with those files in a very long time because we have a separate team. So no, it doesn't change our workflow. What I'm doing right now is technically I'm not gonna be paid for that. I'm not gonna do anything with that. I'm just doing it because I just joined the VC. What you assign?
Okay, I'm back.
Hello.
Wait.
Hello.
Hello, who person joined?
Here's open that subtitles what I'm doing.
Wouldn't 0 be auto assign?
But you have so much left to do. I'm
what?
not even halfway there. It's been like 8 hours.
Fucking hell, lad.
Wait, so predefined waypoint would be.
So that's the code that. So I'm currently making two scripts. This is the first script, which will be called by the toy. So that the spawn, the ID, the waypoint toy will consist of because it needs to derive from waypoint base, and it cannot derive from both admin toy and waypoint based, and it also cannot define from network behavior. So I need to use two components anyway. So I'm thinking that I'll have a waypoint toy as one component, and it will have the predefined ID waypoint, which we can later reuse to put it somewhere else. But yeah, that's the general plan. Assign the list. Where's the list? It's the. Okay.
Wait, wouldn't automatic assignment be if the ID is 0?
No. Hold on. I'm currently.
Okay.
I forgot that there's index and there's ID, which is completely different. There's also set ID here, which yeah. What's the set ID here? Set. It's protected. Okay. Right. So this one is completely useless. They position every time. Auto assign is fine.
Slime. My condolences.
So that should work.
I just read the message. We got 17 people in a public voice chat before GT. It's like, no, there's been a big at times, like, where there's a lot of people in one VC. I think the server host chat like had at one point like 30 people or more. Oh no, well, technically it's not. I mean, what do you guys consider server host chat, like public or not public?
Would you have to like select something to do it?
Technically,
you have to own a service.
Chat is,
Oh, well.
is considered public, I think, because you know.
Yeah.
the
Okay. So
stuff
okay.
that is- yeah, I think it's considered public because what is put into server host announcements is considered public, and we can. Share
Okay.
it.
Yeah. There we go. That's all I need to know. So yeah, we had 30 plus people in one server host chat VC. Very big ass discussions happened.
Damn.
Big ass discussions. I'm letting you know. Like, it's very interesting to see like the difference between like other VCs. Like server host chat, it's sort of professional and funny at the same time.
Could
Like,
you show me the
get to talk
code
to
of
other
that,
owners.
David?
Yeah.
1 sec.
Because we already have a waypoint ID. Apparently, I would like to see. Can I do a public review of that?
I mean, it's not up to me. I think here it is.
But who made that?
Riptide.
Alright. Is Riptide here in the VC now, right?
No.
Alright. I'm gonna quickly see. Oh shit, it's so much better than what I'm doing.
Would I? No, that's wrong.
Oh yeah. This is basically exactly what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Is that
Run
JavaScript?
on that one.
Yes, it's JavaScript. Of course, it is.
Bruh.
Basically.
Multiple times.
I agree, Slime.
Oh, God.
I mean, oh fuck.
He's hiding things from us now.
There's even like changes to the how the waypoints move, right? Or am I just?
Do we want the waypoints to move?
We would have to ask Riptide for that. I'm not really sure how it like works or what it changes.
Oh, I'm gonna head out. If anybody finds out a release date, please DM me, please. I need to know. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. So
You have a good time, Mr. Hoffman.
Okay.
No clearing cast.
Alright, I suppose I will not be doing the waypoint then. I'll be removing that, but I have my
You did a lot of good progress. I'll say.
general optimization, and I have my calling parent, which we can test out.
Always a good day when optimization is born.
And I'm gonna head out then. Actually, be right back in a sec.
I guess that VC didn't take long. Hello, I'm back.
Hey, Ghost.
Hello.
But fellas, so what ideas have you all been thinking for for the maps? Like, if y'all have been thinking about doing a funny map, because there's a lot of ideas now that are now possible with this with these new features, hopefully.
Any MMORPG.
No.
Oh, I like the way you think. You could do that, because no, here's an idea. I had I'm gonna probably work on this on my own time or something. But you know, like those adventure maps, right? Like from Minecraft.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Now imagine. Hear me out. Hear me out. What if, right?
There's no way you're thinking of doing.
In secret laboratory.
You are, aren't you?
Holy
And
fuck!
you
I
use
just
Imagine,
toys.
because we have all we have the tech, we have the technology now for to do it. It's possible.
And like you would interact with the world. Holy crap.
Like it'll be peak trust. Oh wait! I had an even dumber idea. Imagine this, right? SL story mode.
That would
Trust the process.
that will probably just be a ripoff of Containment Breach.
Trust. Well, no, I'll make it like really schizo. Trust.
So we're gonna like a containment breach in SL, or
No. I have an even better idea. I'll make it like really fucking crazy. Just
what
give
is
me
it? What is it?
No leaking. I can't give spoilers. Not yet.
Payday 2 map.
I could probably.
Can we do like payday in SL?
Beta and secret
I've
laboratory.
actually tried to do that before.
Yeah.
I've tried to do
Yeah.
that before, but 14.1 came out before I could even finish it. So, you know, with the whole LabAPI thing and what I was trying to use to actually.
You know,
Well, not this
also,
guy.
if we ever get text toys like fully optimized, I'm letting you know we can make whole ass video in secret laboratory.
I'm gonna head out for now.
I mean,
Wait.
Alright, see you,
Bye
man. But
Somebody's already like got a plugin that's.
yeah,
you
I'm
know-
waiting for the day I see text toys optimized.
Real. David, could you tell us if the text toy is like the display size is world space or not? I think it is, and it's like 200
It's
units
world
by
space.
50 units. That's the
I don't
default.
know what's it. I can check, I guess.
David, only you can optimize the text toys, please. We need text toys to be
I
optimized.
mean, I made it, so
Yeah, of course.
Let's go.
This is why you need to optimize it, just so we can make a whole ass video. Because I can only get a low quality video of a hat kid dancing.
Somebody's gonna figure it out while they're not optimized. I already bet that somebody's gonna.
optimize it like how? Like, how do you want to optimize it? It's a text. There's nothing.
I
can
gotta
do with it.
remember my notes because I'm no developer. However, I have my development notes somewhere from my devs. So let me see here.
Yeah.
I'm lazy. I'm gonna just make my developers. 1 second. Okay. How do we optimize text toys? Troll fish. There we go.
You know how we can optimize them? Remove them. No performance hit.
So we want them for like showing images, I guess.
Yes, for showing because this is the best we got. Let me put it in the lab hangout 1 second. Where is the video? Yes, here it is. Yeah, there you go. It's 67 megabytes. Give me 1 sec. Imagine if we were somehow to get it high quality without lagging the server. We would get the peak performance. That's all I gotta say.
Does it lag the server actually? Is it just? Isn't it just
if you make it higher
client?
quality, it does. Because the more text you add, the laggier it could potentially get. So
Isn't it just client lag? I'm sure
No.
TPS is affected.
It's TPS was affected if you make it very high
What?
quality, like server side. So that's the mystery.
Oh my god.
Well, I mean,
So you have to go on low quality.
I have like no issue with adding the image to or like a video to, but I have to get Beryl or Hubert to approve it first.
It's okay. If it's Barrel, I mean, I'm pretty sure he'll like the idea. Tries.
Next thing you know, he doesn't like the idea. I'm just gonna.
No, I mean.
Tries.
Part of me doesn't want to trust, but.
Like David, just say
You're
like
gonna
I
take
want to
your
make
word for it,
a
guys.
high quality definition video in Secret Laboratory. Please just pass
I'm
it on
just
to
gonna
Barrel.
take your
and
word
maybe
for it.
it'll work. Like
So I'm just. All I'm gonna say is I'm gonna just take your word for it. Hello?
because if it works, I'm letting you know. I'm willing to do some crazy shit.
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't mind. It's a good idea, but as I said, I just need to get like a Beryl to say yes to it.
All right, I'm pretty sure Barrel will.
And he's just gonna say no, and it's not gonna be worth it.
Okay. Wait. Better idea. Just say like a lot of people wanted this, and like in the hangout. Tries. A lot of people, meaning me.
So that's definitely a lot of people then.
Yeah.
I guess you need to like send a request or several suggestions or the LabAPI GitHub issues so you can like show it to him maybe.
Oh yeah, that'd be an idea. I'll just get somebody to actually make a full-on thing, like exactly what's going on and all that, and just like send it over as a suggestion in the GitHub.
Slowly dying. It's a fucking this thing.
But still though, I can't believe we're getting the biggest fucking like update for map makers in history. It's fucking cool as shit.
Oh.
I went eating something. What happened? Did you?
Well, Hubert's gone. We don't got a release date. However, now we know that the next update will definitely have something, some of the biggest features in SL history.
Oh my god, that
real.
Like for real.
I mean, to be fair, gamers, we got like a 3-on-1 combo. Primitives are optimized, a calling, and waypoints. Oh my god, that's like a dream right there.
Oh my god, after like I think I have still the messages with Jesus that I asked him in private if he could implement it.
But yeah, I just cannot wait to see like what LabAPI will become in like in a year's time, because although it's like sort of relatively new, it's interesting. Because as a server owner, I'm always curious to see like what developers can do, like to push the limit of Secret Laboratory to its like limits.
Yeah.
That would. Slime, you are speaking facts. The FPC server position distributor. Gosh. David knows.
I'm going best update.
Bruh.
What is this server? Oh, a Russian server.
It's not Russian.
Oh.
No, it's
crazy.
They both leave after they saw my tag.
Okay, well, let me check the server logs.
Both left when they like people get scanned when they see tags. That's kind of.
I mean, well, you know.
Director.
Fair enough.
Yeah, okay.
Is there anything?
I mean, yeah, this is why I prefer to have my G tag on instead of my owner tag, because I mean, hey, nobody's gonna really think about, oh, hey, the owner's not on or something.
I mean,
Although-
I own like it's the same for me, but I don't have a fucking G tag anymore because I don't pay for the Patreon at the moment, so I kind of lost the G tag.
Okay, Ghost. My limit is 20 items spawning every room in a second after round restarts. Server dies in that minute. Honestly, I want to see how that would work with my hardware, because
I forgot to disable that.
Because I feel like my server could tank that.
Yeah,
For like
yeah,
maybe
most
about a
likely.
minute or two.
No, most likely it can. Like
It
that
can,
server
okay.
can be stressed. But that
If
server
it can
be
survive for
stressed
3
with-
minutes, yeah, if it survives for 3 minutes, I'd say it's a beast.
That server can survive.
If you want, can send it.
1000.
Yeah, I'll put it on my dev server that's also being currently used right now, and just like say, hey guys, I need to reset the server to test something, and totally not ruin testing. But anyways. Not today, but probably tomorrow. I'm just letting you know. It will be peak. It will be peak. Oh,
That's nice.
That's so easy.
That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah,
That's
it's gonna have an
easy.
animator, but for some reason, the animator's just gone. Actually, you can also take them out with thing. Apparently, the plugin that this uses.
Wait, what?
Is meant to be a
Castillo.
Oh yeah, no, that's
Castillo
because of
understand
just
that.
you know.
Just aligning with left
Ignore
center.
that. I'll explain that in a second. You know, the plugin for this, could probably have seen right here. There's a charge, if I'm correct, and practically that slowly goes down while you wear them because your hair charge status, and it's also got a chance to error as well. Another cool thing.
Oh yeah, we have chat.
Yeah, that just makes you.
I've developed a chat system a lot of time ago, actually.
Also, that BL3 thing, you know, you might notice a couple more doors being locked here.
Oh yeah, by the way, if you wanna know the craziest feature we have on our server, right now we are developing, I'm joining a random server. Wait. The craziest feature we have is actually this.
You know, the
A
protocol
shop.
logout stuff is something that I literally just developed to like pace out.
Oh hell nah. Northwood's gonna pull a Minecraft a Mojang move.
Honestly, no.
They've
No,
done that
no,
to me
they-
before. They like I remember when Northwood fucking try to take down my server by suddenly adding a new rule to the skins. Like, oh my god, that was hell. I had to
You
do a
wanna
whole
know?
ass conversation with Northwood verification.
I'm like the VSR. I remember each fucking rule on the VSR after like.
Oh no, I did the same too. Ever since they pulled that bullshit on me by adding a new rule to purposely target my server because I made money from like cosmetics. Like, oh my god.
Now, honestly, I remember all of the rules for VSR, and this doesn't go against any rules because with tickets you can only buy cosmetics. So, and these ones are not actually competitive in any ways because if you actually go to not this one, okay. If you actually go to the tower winners, as you can see, use vertical mobility. It just says that you use that item, so it doesn't give you any advantage actually. So yeah, it's not against VSR. Actually, thought about it a lot.
Ghost.
Yeah, what's up?
I do need to go in a second, but would you mind looking at my screen for like just a split moment? That's something that I want to show you that I found. Well, I didn't find it.
Yeah,
I
sure.
showed it a few days ago.
Oh, I know why. I know what.
You know, somebody might have.
Yeah, I've seen this.
the
Yeah,
fuck?
I've seen this before. Yeah, I saw this map.
I've,
I saw this map before. It's actually quite cool.
Yeah, it's fully playable. It's really cool. To be
Yeah.
honest.
Yeah, I know. Like I've seen it. Like it's quite well made.
Yeah.
Jailer.
noticed-
I forgot about that guy. He's the guy that owns what was that one server?
Shenanigans, yeah.
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 I remember playing on that server once, and I don't remember what happened.
You
'cause
played
I
on
was
the
kind of
server
going crazy.
once, and I was like, I just fucking like instantly just somehow recognized you.
By the way, this is probably this.
I love server
this
hopping. I love
VC,
server hopping.
This VC
I need
was
to go,
probably
lads.
one of the
See ya.
most important moment of SL history. For optimization, oh my god.
Oh well, I'm waiting for more like crazy shit. Like whenever we finally get meshes, like I'm feeling like that's gonna be like the big one, for sure.
If we
'Cause,
get
I mean, that'd be
meshes,
optimization galore.
When
if we get mesh, it will become like VR chat, but worse.
yeah, at this point, just add as adults. Like people are like,
Honestly,
oh, well, add textures
yeah.
to primitives. What about
Anyways,
meshes?
well, I'm gonna head out to prepare some stuff because I have to get ready to do a video for my
Mesh-
community. So
the mesh toy.
you guys take care.
Bye
The
bye.
mesh toy will crash.
See ya.
Imagine the
Slime.
mesh toy
No.
actually crashes your client.
No, don't do that. Mesh collider baking is actually is horrible performance, dude. If you disable the game object and re-enable it, which the collable system will do, then it will recalculate the fucking collider.
Are you sure? It does
Yes.
that?
Like the mesh
my
filter gets re-enabled, so it does that. If you disable the mesh
Oh.
collider, it doesn't. But if you deactivate the game object, then it... I've had like second-long frame drops, multiple second-long frame drops, because I load an area with lots of colliders, and oh, guess we're doing collision calculations. I need to rewrite my collable system. That is just absolutely horrible that it does that. And yes, it's with runtime meshes.
Honestly, like showing off the fucking capybara room was probably the best idea ever.
You are the goat. You saved us
honestly.
all.
But honestly, like I still have the DMs with a lot of Northwood stuff that asking them, oh, can you add a cooling system to SL? I added it as a suggestion. I added it as everything. For 3 years, I just did this thing. And it just needed me to get in a VC with you talking about how Hungary is better than Italy and just waiting for Hubert. Crazy enough.